the life of the jungle, of the animals, of the all the insects and butterflies and life forms breathing and doing their job all throughout the jungle. It's beautiful, but it's humbling at the same time because you realize an elephant is up in here. And we just passed an elephant skeleton not so long ago. So, yes, we are really up in here. This is no zoo experience. This is like being in the real woods and really experiencing Mother Earth.
How are you feeling?